See the question. If a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 plus c raised to 1 by 3 is 0, then he has given you 4 options. The first option is a plus b plus c is 0. Second option is a plus b plus c raised to 3 is equal to 27 ABC. And third option is a plus b plus c is 3 ABC. Fourth option is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 0. Now let us see how to solve this. See the first one. What is given for us? What is given? They are given that a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 plus c raised to 1 by 3 is 0. This is given. So what we do here, first what we do, this one term, we take it to the right side. That is, we transpose this to the right. So when you transpose this to the right, see, you look at a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 is equal to c raised to 1 by 3. Okay. So how did you get this? So this by transposing a raised to 1 by 3 to the right. Now once you have transposed, now see here, we take the cube of both the sides. So when you take the cube of both sides, that is, we are taking the cube of both sides. For this, or it will be like this. A raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3 plus 3a raised to 1 by 3 b raised to 1 by 3 a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus c raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3. Okay, here this 3 should not be there as a mistake, please correct it. So the identity which I am using is a plus b whole cube is a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so a plus b, this third power we cancel 3 is only a raised to 1, that is a. This is only b, and this is minus c. And this is 3a raised to 1 by 3, b raised to 1 by 3. And a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3, from here it is minus c raised to 1 by 3. So I replace this with minus c raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus c. Okay. Now what we do, take this minus. So this is by substituting. Now we take this minus c to this side, it becomes a plus b plus c. And plus is here, there is a minus sign here, plus minus is minus. So minus this term, when you take it to the right side, it becomes plus this term. Okay. That is 3 a raised to 1 by 3, b raised to 1 by 3 is a raised to 1 by 3. Now, take the cube of both the sides. When you take the cube of both sides, you get a plus b plus c raised to 3. And cube of 3 is 27. A raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3 is only a, this is b, this is c. So a plus b plus c raised to 3 is 27, a, b, c. So this is your answer is option B. This is your answer. So if the sum of the cube roots of 3 numbers, that is cube root of a plus cube root of b plus cube root of c is 0, then a plus b plus c cube is equal to 27abc. Clear? That is your answer. Hope you liked it. If you understood the thing, please. I hope you liked my way of explanation. If so, click on the subscribe and like button for more such videos. So this is an Olympiad based question, and it's quite a simple one. Using one small identity, we are trying to prove it. Okay. So my channel is easy learning, and my phone number is given here. Click on the subscribe button and the like button, and we will, so you can see some more videos of this type. Thank you.